Version 2.
She's getting a new rebuild. Well, we're gonna take the, he's already got the cranks out. The cassette, different pulley wheels for the GX derailleur, brakes, brand new fork from Fox. They just serviced that, warranted that. That's a brand new upper. Hopefully that doesn't click anymore. No more clicking.
Tires.
Tires, yeah, we'll see. These are definitely noticeably lighter. So, Kogel. Oh, do you use the crank booties?
Yeah, we should.
Yeah.
Protect your little carbon crankies.
Best part of this is I get a new tire. This thing is done. Very impressed with it that it didn't go.
Yeah, that's like more slick than a semi-slick now.
And this has lasted me 6 months, man, since I got this thing. This front tire hasn't failed me.
Yeah.
Okay, we're just gonna take a quick look at this new uppers assembly here. And then we're gonna compare it to the new 36. Massive difference. This thing is huge.
It's a beefcake.
Yeah, I don't think the camera's gonna do it justice. Swapping these guys with some ceramics. Oh yes. Thick rotor, but we have clearance. Almost there.
No bolt too.
Out with the old Santa Cruz bolts and in with the better bolts. Alright, last but not least, we're gonna put this baby to the weight test. Scale set to 0. Steady does it. And we're looking at about 33.26. Nice, from 34.5. Product is finished. About 1.25 pounds. So a good full pound off this bike, and that's mostly what you see here, rotational weight. As promised, I'm gonna go through a quick bike check and review. Let's walk you through some of the components here that I did go ahead and upgrade on the bike, as well as talk about what was fixed from Fox. Fox went ahead and replaced the uppers for me. Just new stanchions and a new upper crown here with the steer tube. Let's see, I went with new tires, Maxxis Hexagon tire in the front, and I went with the Dissector for the rear tire. Dominion A4 brakes. These things are really smooth, light actuating levers. Yeah, real stoked to try these. I have them equipped to the Hope rotors. 200 rotors, front and rear. And so far, just like the looks of them, this is super tight in here. I can already see a little bit of rub just on the inside of the frame where it's taking some of my paint. Doesn't look to be too serious, and it's spinning pretty free, so I'm not gonna worry too much about that. Coming to the drive side, and where I lost most of my weight here. Took out the GX cassette, replaced it with the XO1. Went with some Kogel bearings in my GX derailleur. Went with the Next R cranks and a 30-tooth absolute black oval chainring. 1-up pedals. actually just had to replace these. The other pedals that I had were shot, so we'll give these a shot for a while, see how the one-ups go. But yeah, basically just took this thing from 34.5 pounds to about 33.28 pounds. And mainly that's in the cranks and the cassette here. I'm not sure that the brakes are much lighter than the codes, but yeah, looks like a brand new bike again, and gonna be some good times ahead.